10 mysterious places in the world that science cannot explain. At number 10, I have Lake Hillier. Yes, located in Australia. Now, the unique thing about this particular lake is the color. It is pink in color. Now, no one, not even scientists, can explain the mechanism or the reason behind this. At number 9, I have the Crooked Forest. Yes, located in Poland. Now, in this particular forest, all the trees are bent or slant towards one direction. No one can explain the reason behind this, if this is just nature. At number 8, I have the Eastern Island. Yes, located in Chile. In this particular island, there are huge stone heads called moai that were arranged in an orderly manner in a straight line. Now, a lot of people are wondering, how did these stones get to this particular place, owing to the fact that these are huge stones. At number 7, I have the Gates of Hell. Yes, located in Turkmenistan. Now, this whole thing started when some scientists were drilling gas from that particular place. Then all of a sudden, the ground collapsed and formed a big hole. Now, some of these scientists noticed that there were some dangerous gas coming out of the ground, and they decided to burn it with the intention that the next day the fire will die off. As I speak to you right now, it is 50 years since that particular incident. Till now, that particular fire is still burning. This is mysterious. At number 6, we have the Bermuda Triangle. Now, I believe you must have heard about the Bermuda Triangle, how ships and aeroplanes disappears when they get to that particular region. Now, nobody knows the exact spot where that particular triangle is located, but it is believed that it's found between the North Atlantic Ocean, bounded by Puerto Rico, Bermuda, and Florida. At number 5, I have the Eyes of the Sahara. Yes, located somewhere in a desert in Mauritania. Some people call it the Richard structure. It's like an eyes drawn on the ground. Nobody knows how this came about, who drew this particular structure. This is mysterious. At number 4, I have the Blood Falls. Yes, located in Antarctica. Now, these are waterfalls, but the unique thing about this one is the fact that it is like blood. It has the color of blood. No one can explain the mechanism or the reason behind this. Okay, some scientists say that it is as a result of iron, excess iron in that water. But after all the research, it proved negative. At number 3, I have the Nazca Lines. Yes, located in Peru. Now, these are perfectly shaped and curved lines of animals, objects, or whatever drawn on the ground. No one can explain how this line got to this particular place or who drew them. These lines does not erase. At number 2, I have the Great Pyramid of Giza. Yes, located in Egypt. These are structures that have been built for over 4,500 years ago. Now, the amazing thing about these structures or edifice is the fact that back then there was no modern tools or technology. So a lot of people are asking, how were these people able to achieve this? At number 1, I have the City of Dolls, located in Mexico. Now, in this particular city, dolls are seen hung or hanged everywhere, on trees, on buildings, everywhere. No one can explain the reason behind this, and these are old dolls. All right. Now, some people said that that particular city is being haunted by the ghost of a young baby that drowned in the river. This is mysterious.